Sicam A8000. Wherever energy flows. The Sicam A8000 series as a universal platform allows for flexible use. In the energy sector, for generation, transmission, and distribution. In industry, for the provision of electric current, reliably and tailored to requirements. But also in infrastructural applications, such as railway power supply or facility management. Let us show you 3 examples of applications from the energy sector with a few more details. Example 1. Power transmission. The automation of transformer substations is an essential requirement for this application. Optimally suited for this task is a CP8050 with several I/O lines, which can process up to 2048 signals. Sicam A8000 gathers the information from the distributed I/O peripherals, pools it, and passes it on to a higher-level control center or to nearby transformer substations. You establish the necessary connection for this with the additional communication modules CI8520 or CI8521. These modules support all common communication protocols. Not only Siemens devices can be integrated into the structure, but the resources of third-party vendors can also be used. Example 2. Power distribution. 2 pieces of equipment are the focus of monitoring and operating distribution grids. Bays for medium voltage grids as cable network or as overhead line network version, and distribution transformers with low voltage feeders. Our tip: use a CP8000 compact device in the secondary substations. The advantage of this solution? You can look at the status indications of the inputs and outputs directly on the device display. If you additionally wish to monitor currents and voltages, simply complement the compact device with the AI8510 and CM8820 I/O modules. You can then also query and check analog measured values on the display. In the secondary substation, Sicam A8000 also monitors the low voltage side of the distribution transformer and issues commands to the transformer's tap changer based on the acquired measured values. With the AI8510 module in combination with the CM8820 module, or the AI8511 module in conjunction with low-power current transformers, you can also implement the short circuit indicator functionality. This function limits the fault area in the cable network and passes the information on to the higher-level control center. The control center, supported by the Sicam A8000 device, ensures fast power restoration. Example 3. Connection of solar and wind farms. Solar and wind farms are connected to the energy grid via in-feed controllers. A device from the Sicam A8000 series connected to this controller is the bidirectional link between farm and network control center. In the direction of the network control center, the Sicam A8000 device passes on information acquired from the in-feed controller, for example about the current power flow. In the direction of the in-feed controller, the Sicam A8000 device carries out commands received from the network control center, for example ramping down the in-feed controller. Our proposal for your individual Sicam A8000 device? Select a CP8021 or a CP8022 as the processor module, for example, and complement it with the necessary I/O modules. You establish the connection to the network control center very easily via the communication interfaces integrated in the processor modules. With the CP8022 processor module, communication even functions wirelessly thanks to the built-in GPRS modem. You see? Sicam A8000 masters a wide range of challenges. Sicam A8000. Compact solutions for practical use.